Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are actually going to give you a workshop tour and just to show you everything we've got going on, why we haven't filmed much lately, and we're going to show you the E36 from the Make or Break series. So we have in this Vauxhall Mocha that we actually just got in. As you can see, it's had a nice front ender. The actual engine and everything's okay. Can't actually get the bonnet up at the moment, but I have opened it and then stupidly closed it again. But the rest of the car is all pretty much spot on. So all the doors and everything around the other side, this side, the rear end is all very good. Unfortunately, all the airbags have actually gone off, meaning we can't sell obviously the airbag kit or anything like that. Also the seat belts have also tensioned, they're no good either. The actual seats look okay, slight rip there, but the rest of them, just open the back door, show you guys in here too, actually quite nice. So this one will be stripped for spares. So yeah, the engine on this one actually runs really nicely and the gearbox and everything is actually really smooth. So everything runs amazingly, but obviously the front end has had such a whack that has obviously been written off. So our job is to recycle all the parts we can from this car and sell it to you guys. So if you are interested in any Vauxhall Mocha parts, hook us up, drop us a message. Look us up on eBay, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. We're on there. Give us a message wherever you want and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We've also got this Land Rover which we was actually going to fix up and sell on. However, we found a few rust issues. So this will also be dismantled and recycled for parts. So we're going to take all the headlights off, all the interior, mirrors, a few bits out the doors, etc. We've got another one there. So we're going to do the same with that one, same with this one. Any parts on these Freelanders, let us know. Again, this one's quite tidy. It's actually the HSE model, so let me just open this. So with the HSE model, it's got the nice leather. It's actually quite nice inside, to be fair. It's quite a clean one. It's just a shame about the rust on this one, because otherwise we would have fixed it up. So now we're just going to take you inside HQ and just show you everything going on in here. Big scary dogs do not enter. Here we are in the office then. Where's the big scary dog? Great guard dog. Right, Buzz. There he is. He's very scary, isn't you? Huh? He's our little helper. Anyway, so we've got loads and loads of boxes and stuff to send all of our stuff out. We try and recycle as many boxes as we can, and we get a lot of boxes from FW Masters, so thank you guys. And also MJG Grits also drops us off a lot of boxes. We get loads of Zara stuff, thanks to my other half. And we got loads of new packaging as well, because now and then we do just need some quick boxes we can just put in, especially when we're busy. So yeah, there's all our packing area, all our tapes and everything, etc. And we do try and recycle as much as we can, hence all the cardboard everywhere. Just coming into this room then, this is our sort of cleaning slash photo room. So all the cloths and everything are there. This is more of the little side of cleaning. We do have an extra bit where we do clean all the bigger parts, but this is where we do all the little parts. It goes all in there from a box, goes around the conveyor belt. All our pictures and stuff are all here. And as you can see, here's a Citroen Dispatch one, and we've got all parts from a Citroen Dispatch van. Once they're all taken, they then get listed on eBay. As you can see, there's some headlights and stuff here as well, and a grille. These all need putting on the shelves. So just going to show you upstairs. It's a bit of a work in progress up here, as you can see all the mess. We haven't actually done everything in here yet, but we've got all our new old stock stuff. So for example, we've got these depot headlights from a Citroen Saxo. We've got Audi A4, Seat Ibiza, again Ibiza, what else we got? Nissan Primera. We've got loads of stuff, loads of headlights, tons of mirrors. We've got to sort it out up here still and put some more racking up. As you can see, we've got loads of grills and stuff, even more stuff this side. We've got like Range Rover parts, we've got Range Rover side grills, window regulators all up the top here, and we've also got loads of depot, your indicator lights, and we've also got fog lights all up there. Again, all different brands. This one's actually from a Citroen. This is a Peugeot 206. loads of stuff, tail lights. This is the all new old stock items that are quite hard to get hold of these days. Honda Accord, as you can see. This one here, Fiesta 89. This is just a depot, so these are aftermarket parts, but you know, if you want to just get your car on the road for cheap money, here it is, and it's all brand new. I'm not going to take this out of its packet, so you don't get all fingerprints all over it, but you get the idea. Like I said, still quite a bit of work to do here. We've had quite a lot of work going on. We've had all the electrics sort of done. They've still got to be finished. As you can see, we've had new lamps put in, which is really good because now we can actually see where the stock is, but we've got to make more racking so we can get all this off the floor. But yeah, we've got tons and tons and tons of headlights, as you can see. Now we're just going to go in the warehouse section. Again, still trying to do work. It's constantly growing. It's hard to keep on top of it all. As you can see, there's the E36. We're going to get to that in a minute about the update and everything going on with that. This all needs more racking putting up. We're going to have to replace this whole section because the lights are, yeah, they're growing very quickly. Normally we try and put all the lights in some boxes, which I'll show you in a second, but the bigger lights obviously don't fit in. So all of these will need to be put on racks. You've got your offside lights, your near side lights, near side rear, offside rear lights. We've got loads of stuff, steering wheels, etc. Loads of different brands there, Land Rovers, Fords, you name it, we've got it. So we got Chevrolet, Citroens, Daihatsus, we got Fords, tons and tons of Ford stuff, C-Max, what else we got, C-Max, we've got Fiestas, we've got Focus CC as well, Focus ST, Galaxies, we have Ford KAs, we have Ford Mondeos, we have Ford S-Max down there, we've got Transit stuff in, we've got Honda CR-Vs, we've got Hyundai stuff, Land Rover, Kia, Mazda, here we've got Mercedes, we've got Nissan, literally everything. I could go on all day about what we've got. We've got so much stuff. We've got Minis there, yes they're BMWs, but this is just where Minis live. Peugeot stuff as well. Loads more stuff up here. A lot of these are what we call, say, mix boxes. So we bought a load of good second-hand parts from another supplier, and he basically give us it all in a load of mixes. So we had to make our own reference. So I know that's a Ford mix, that's our reference number, and then we go in that box, find the part. So here's for an example. We've got Toyota MR2 1511, and then we know exactly what part to go to. You know, there's a power steering pump there, they're all numbered, all referenced, so we know exactly where to go from our reference system. And we've got tons of stuff up here, Toyotas, and we've got Subarus, we've got Renaults all up the end, Skodas, Suzuki, everything you can think of, we've pretty much got it. Same as this end, we've literally got VW, Vauxhall stuff there. Going to have to create some more room for Vauxhall stuff because we are rammed and we got all the Mokka stuff coming yet. And this is the thing with this game, is you go through so much storage very quickly. You think you've got a load of room and then all of a sudden you fill it because parts just fill up very, very quickly. So we've got Audi stuff and then your BMW bits here as well. So another quick look, this is some Fiesta stuff from a Mark 7. It's actually getting quite empty now, this box, but we've got a fuse box with wiring loom, got an engine ECU in there, and a coolant expansion tank. We've got so many things, interior trims. We've actually got some old Porsche Cayenne stuff here. We are quite short on this now because we haven't had one of these in for a while or sourced any parts for them, but you can see we've got all the stalks, we've got some motors in there, we've got some interior trims, engine covers. Yeah, it's all there. We do try and wrap all the carpet and trims just to give it a bit of protection. Here's another example. We've got Mercedes E-Class, the W210 model. We've got a load of rear lights for it. We've got the central locking pump here. We've got like the little gear gauges around with all the switches. We try and protect it as much as we can. Interior roof light. We've got like little window switches and stuff. And we also have, I think that's a sunroof motor. You name it, we've literally got it for all types of vehicles. Like I said, we've got around 7,000 items in stock at the moment, and we're just continuing growing. So keep an eye on our eBay store and you will see even more boxes, even more stock for you guys. All good quality recycled parts that have been tried and tested, and we do 30-day warranty with eBay as well, so any problems, we do returns. That's not a problem, providing, you know, it is a faulty part, which is quite rare. So yeah, that's for your peace of mind. So yes, going back to the recycling option, so we use all of these banana boxes that you can get from any supermarket or our local store who actually looks after us. They supply us with all these banana boxes as well, which is kind of handy, and that means we can stack these very well. We're recycling as well, so that's kind of what we want to try and focus on, and it's a win-win, you know. It all stacks very nice. We're recycling. These boxes last ages as well. They're really strong, so highly recommend these for anyone that actually wants some good strong boxes, removal boxes, whatever. So the BMW then, yes, the E36, the make or break. It's still not got much further. We just haven't had the time to fully look at it because we constantly have some electrical issues. We've got about 10 minutes worth of video that we've actually recorded, but it's literally not much to put onto YouTube yet because we haven't had much progress. We've taken both regulators out, and as you can see, they're just laying on the floor. They're working great, so that's a great start. We've cleaned them all up. We actually put them on the bench here, as you can see, here's one, and we greased it all up and we cleaned all the motor out and everything like that. All the motors and everything work well. There's actually one just down there as we tested that, and then as you can see, all the stuff's just stacked in here because we're running out of storage very quickly, so it had to go back in the BMW. So a lot of you, if you have got this far, thank you for watching. We just wanted to do a little video tour of our workshop and to explain why we haven't actually finished this or made any videos about this yet. So as you can see, it's a little bit of a mess, but we will get around to it as soon as we can. And if you are still following our channel and you are still watching this video, thank you. Be patient with us because this isn't our only job. YouTube for us is more just like a hobby. If it gets a load of subscribers, great. You know, if it pushes over that threshold and we earn something out of it, amazing, because then that means we can put more time onto these videos, because obviously we have to do it as a business. So at the moment it is just a hobby. I don't mind that, that's fine. It's nice to document everything we do. Used to do it when I was younger on the old owners clubs and everything like that. So yeah, it's like a modern type of way of doing it, if you like. Still loads of wiring all over the place. We're actually going to put these window regulators back in on both sides and then start putting the rest of the car back together. I'm not going to put the carpets in straight away, but definitely put the regulators and stuff in, because I think we're actually getting somewhere. And once they're in, once the roof knows that everything's working, hopefully everything will start working. That's the goal behind this anyway. We just need a little bit more time on it. So that is our workshop tour. I hope you enjoyed the workshop tour. It's not huge, but we have got so much stuff. We've got over 7,000 items in stock, and we've got so much more to list. We are a small family run business, so it does take a little while to get it all on there. Hopefully we'll, start getting more people on board, but behind that we've got to grow, and with growth you've got to work hard, and that's what we're doing, hence there's not many videos. So I do apologise for the lack of videos and lack of content. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Actually, one more thing. So regarding those that watch the how-to guides, we're going to be doing loads more of those. Do apologise, we've not actually done many of those lately. They will come back, and there'll be quite a few of these in for this Vauxhall Mocha. So if that does interest you and you have got a Vauxhall Mocha and you want to know how to take wing mirrors off, take the headlights out, etc., then please keep an eye on the channel and subscribe to the channel, and we will show you how to get all those parts off. And we will also be doing the how-to guides on the Freelanders as well. If you are interested in that, then follow the channel, we'd be very grateful. So that is it for this video in our workshop tour, and like I said, I do apologise for the lack of videos. There'll be more how-tos, there'll be more on the E36 on the Make or Break series, because we're determined to get that fixed and we really want to progress with that series. So thank you so much for watching, and if you do want any parts and you did like this tour, give us a thumbs up, watch the channel, subscribe to the channel, and we will keep uploading as much as we can. Thank you everyone for your orders, for those that have ordered through eBay. We also do Instagram. We've got a Shopify store as well. Thank you so much for all your support. We are only a small family-run business, so it means the world to us. So thank you once again, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. See you later.